uncover the meaning, coding with crumbs, in cooking. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common culinary phrase, coding with crumbs. This technique is often used in cooking and can transform simple ingredients into something delicious. Whether you're a beginner in English or looking to expand your culinary vocabulary, this video is for you. Coding with crumbs refers to the process of covering a food item, usually meat or vegetables, with breadcrumbs before cooking. This method is used to create a crispy outer layer that adds texture and flavor to the dish. The crumbs can be seasoned for extra taste. 1. Preparation. First, you need your main ingredient, like chicken or fish, and breadcrumbs. You can use store-bought breadcrumbs or make your own. 2. Dipping. Dip the item in flour, then in beaten eggs. This helps the breadcrumbs stick to the item. 3. Coating. Finally, roll the item in breadcrumbs, ensuring it's fully covered. Press the crumbs gently to adhere them to the surface. Types of crumbs. Besides regular breadcrumbs, you can use panko for a lighter, crunchier texture or cornflakes for a unique twist. Seasoning. Add herbs, spices, or Parmesan cheese to the crumbs for more flavor. Cooking methods. You can fry, bake, or air fry the coated items. Each method offers a different texture and healthiness level. Chicken Parmesan. Chicken breasts coated with seasoned breadcrumbs, fried, and topped with marinara sauce and cheese. Mozzarella sticks. Cheese sticks coated with breadcrumbs and deep-fried until golden. Fish and chips. Fish fillets coated with crumbs and fried, served with chips. That's all about coding with crumbs. This simple technique can elevate your cooking and is a great addition to your English culinary vocabulary. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy cooking and happy learning!